Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the are you doing, you stupid mother? I have a green light, you dumb. Want to have a talk about it? Go ahead, do something, you stupid. Your ass don't have a back of a car. That's why you don't have a back of a car, you eat my you call them Zach name. You keep running. Threaten you how? Threaten you how? You good. I got the dash cam. I got dash cams.
Okay, I hope they see your ass get and threaten me. I'm gonna get your ass. Watch.
There's no threat.
Okay, you threatened me and got out and said, do I want to talk about it? We'll see.
Okay, great. You tell them to call me. They know me. You tell them to call me. Zach Cup. Yeah, learn how to drive. That's why you don't have the back of your car.
I don't give a
running red lights from the third lane over.
You're making a right turn
on a green light.
Idiots. I literally said to her, like, I was trying to leave, but basically, if anything goes down, you'd be like, nope, you don't do that. What the? Did you do that shit on purpose? Now that I'm allowed to pick y'all up, I'm gonna say she had a car follow. Oh my God, Sean, are you okay? This guy is trying to fight Sean. Just go somewhere else. Just go somewhere else.
Fuck all my kids. Fuck all the lies. Fuck what you think you fuck all the guys. Fuck what you heard. Fuck what you said. Fuck all your words, your mouth out there.
Come on.
Oh, hang on, we got someone backing up.
Wait.
And that's an insurance claim.
Yeah, I need your
Wow, this girl looks really nice right now. Whoa! That guy just hit the side of the wall there.
Did he really?
Yeah, 100%.
That post, so she had to quit her dream job of being a cashier at Aldi soon after that. She had to break
Oh
up
my
with
God.
her boyfriend and moved across the country.
Yo, I just watched that.
She renamed her
Wha-
What the? Are you freaking kidding me?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.